Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Buy Me a Coffee page in 2026. So if you want to accept donations, build memberships, or earn money from your audience as a creator, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open the Buy Me a Coffee website and click Sign Up. So this is where you start creating your creator page. Next, create your account using email, Google, Apple, or another login method. I mean, the sign-up process only takes a few minutes. So yeah, pick a creator name and username carefully. This becomes your public support page link. Now upload a profile photo and banner image. This helps your page look more professional and trustworthy. So yeah, write a short bio explaining who you are and what content you create. Tell supporters why they should support your work. Next, choose how much one coffee costs. Most creators set prices around $3 to $5. So yeah, connect Stripe or PayPal to receive your earnings. Without this step, supporters won't be able to send payments. Now you can add memberships, exclusive posts, or digital products like templates and ebooks. This helps you earn recurring income. Finally, publish your page and share your link on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Discord, so your audience can start supporting you immediately. And that's how to create a Buy Me a Coffee page in 2026. Once your page is ready, you can start receiving support, selling products, and building a creator community online. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.